So when you open the cover of humidifier, you are going to see a water reservoir exposed. Okay, and you are going to see the water bottle like this. You need to fulfill the water bottle with clear, purified water, and please make sure this drip will stay at the bottom of the whole water reservoir to ensure it can suck in water smoothly and fluently. So for the humidity control setting, you need to hold the button set and the humidity plus 2 buttons at the same time to enter the setting mode. Now the blinking numbers is showing you the natural humidity in the whole environment is 52.9. So now we press the plus button. The stepping will be 0.1 degrees per press. If we hold the button for longer time, the stepping will be 1 degrees per blink. So if you change to the minus button, it's going lower. So for the newer generation of the machinery, it can be set up to 85 degrees for the humidity control. For the dogs, for the puppies with a very weak situation, dehydrated, the ultra high humidity will be very helpful. For some special species like waterfalls, the higher humidity will help even bigger. So now it's going up to 82, 84 and 85 degrees. So that is the maximum. When you quit the setting mode, you need to press the set and plus button at the same time to quit and trigger the setting.